Yes, with that, let's also get you updates of the BJP President JP Nadda launching a sharp attack on the RJD chief Lalu Prasad Yadav, blaming him for the mass migration from Bihar, while also accusing the Congress and its allies of also lowering the political discourse with repeated insults that are directed at the Prime Minister's mother. In fact, he was speaking at a media conclave in Patna, and JP Nadda spoke about how Lalu Prasad Yadav had made a remark talking about the immigration. In fact, he went on to say, in the name of development, he used to say that if roads were built, then the police would reach quickly. This was the comment that Lalu Prasad Yadav had made previously. And even to this day, the RJD has not apologized for this statement. So JP Nadda giving out this statement, accusing the RJD of ensuring that there was no development in Bihar.
अगर मैं लालू यादव की बात करूं तो विकास के नाम पर इनका स्टेटमेंट क्या था? रोड बना देंगे तो पुलिस जल्दी पहुंच जाएगी तुम्हारे पास, रोड नहीं है तो पुलिस के बगैर हो तो ठीक हो। ये स्टेटमेंट है मुख्यमंत्री का। सड़क के नाम पर लालू यादव का स्टेटमेंट है कि जानवर के खुर खराब हो जाएंगे अगर सड़क बना देंगे। लालू यादव का ये स्टेटमेंट है पलायन पर कि तो हमारा बिहारी भाई है, अंगोछा पहन के जाता है, टाई सूट पहन के लौटता है। इस तरीके से आपने पलायनवाद को एक, जिसे कहा जा सकता है कि एक उसका महिमा मंडन करने का आपने काम किया। क्या आपका विजन था? और सबसे बड़ी बात मैं पूछना चाहूंगा, आज इतने साल गुजर गए, क्या आरजेडी के आज जो कर्ता धर्ता बन रहे हैं तेजस्वी यादव, उन्होंने एक बार भी बिहार की जनता से माफी मांगा है? एक बार भी उन्होंने कहा कि गलती हुई है? वो किस तरीके से सोच सकता है कि वो अब बिहार का भला करेगा? और दो बार आपने देखा, थोड़े थोड़े समय उनको सरकार में रहने का मौका मिला। मैं बताना नहीं चाहता, मैं उस समय स्वास्थ्य मंत्री था। क्या उस समय बिहार की स्थिति लाकर के खड़ी कर दी? हम मेडिकल कॉलेज देना चाहते थे, ये लेने वाले नहीं थे उस छोटी सी अवधि में।
My colleague Pragya is joining us on the broadcast with the details of BJP's attack. And Pragya, ahead of the Bihar elections, the RJD and its track record is coming back to haunt the party, Lalu Prasad in particular, with the BJP reminding the RJD of what Lalu Prasad Yadav has said before, also putting in a spot the Congress party, saying that you're allying with the party that ensured there was no development in Bihar.
Well, this is very significant, Pratibha, and I would say the statement is significant of the ideology that RJD stood for. In fact, everyone remember those days when Bihar used to be in Bimaru state, and in fact, it is one of the states where the government, in fact, and the Chief Minister himself eulogized the lack of governance in the state. And this is exactly what Mr. Nadda is pointing out today, that you did not make roads because the excuse that you had given is because the police can reach you faster, the animals will have their hoofs destroyed, and these are some silly reasons that you give for non-development. And in fact, this lack of governance and non-development in the state has been highlighted by Mr. Nadda, saying that we wanted to give you medical colleges, we wanted to give you so much infrastructure, but there were no takers in the state for that. So there is no development, no concept of, no vision of development at all in the state. This is where the lineage of RJD is coming from. And in fact, this is a very staunch and scathing attack on RJD and also the Congress, which is allying with the RJD right now. And in fact, it's the sharpest attack that has come on the RJD by none other than BJP President JP Nadda. The insult to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's late mother has become one of the core issues in this particular election, because there are women voters who had voted en bloc for BJP, and BJP also knows that this is the women power is the maker or breaker of the government in every state, especially in Bihar.
And Pragya, like you mentioned, the Prime Minister had also made a mention of the same. He spoke about how women will also feel hurt because his mother had been insulted in that AI-generated video. So this escalating further, and we're also expecting more political reactions to come in as well. But we'll have to leave it at that. Thank you for joining us with those details. Quick break now. We'll be right back.